Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID non-payment option not showing. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you're trying to change your country or region in your Apple ID and you're facing the issue that your payment method option none option is not showing or none option is missing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to check for some setting because it's nothing else. It's just your network issue or it might be your software glitch. So now to fix that, you have simple ways. So the very first way, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Then you have to go ahead to your settings app, go to general, and here very first you have to make sure that you haven't any connected VPN here. If you find, just try to disconnect with your VPN, then go back from here, go to language and region, select region and select your own region in which you're living. So after selecting your region, you have to simply go back, go to date and time section, try to enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Then go back from here, go to software update section, and you just have to try to update your software. So once you updated your software, you just have to go back and go to screen time section and select content and privacy restrictions. Disable all the restrictions from here. So after disabling all the restrictions, just go back and here go to general again, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings, so if there will be any issue with your iPhone network setting, it will be fixed in this app and you will not get the issue again. But after doing that, you have to still try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So you have to simply open your App Store, and here just tap on your profile option in the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you just have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password, then select country or region option from here. Now here you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living, or you can also try to select the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So in my case I have selected this one, so I'm gonna reselect this. Now tap on the continue option here, and here just tap on agree in the top right, and here you just have to enter your payment method. But in payment method you see the none option. Just select the none option from here, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after doing this all, you just have to tap on the done option in the top right, and your issue will be fixed. Your country region will be successfully changed without any payment method. But in some cases, if you're still facing the same issues, you have to simply open your Apple Store app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Store Web. Select iPhone from here, select subscriptions and purchases, and you just have to select update payment method because you're trying to update your payment method. Or you can also go back, go to more options, go to App Store here, and now in this section just select the get more help and the this. After that, you'll find a phone number whenever you want to talk. You have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected to the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.